Hi dear children, how are you all my dear children? Are you all fine? Okay, I know that you all are fine. Are you eating enough food? Drinking enough water? Doing it now? How many of you are doing exercise in the morning? Are you all doing? Okay, I know that my 5th standard children, they are learning well, eating enough food, drinking enough water, then doing exercise, everything they are following it in a beautiful way. So, congrats to my dear children. Okay, now what all things we have discussed in the previous class? Do you have any idea? What's our chapter? Rocks, minerals and soil. Okay, I have told you many times rocks forms the earth's crust, and the scientist who study about rocks, we call it as the geologist. Okay, and what is it? Minerals? Minerals are the chemical substances of which the rocks are made. Then we learn the types of rocks. Which are the three types of rocks? Sedimentary rocks, igneous rocks, metamorphic rocks. Again I am telling you, sedimentary rocks, there are certain rocks. What are they? Conglomerate, sandstone, shale, limestone, dolomite. Okay, then igneous rocks. What is that? Igneous, that is the solidification of molten rock material. And what is the examples for igneous rocks? What are they? Granite, pumice, basalt, obsidian. Very good. Okay, then we learned one more type of rock, that is the metamorphic rocks. Okay, so metamorphic rocks are formed from either igneous or by sedimentary rocks due to the action of, due to the change in their physical or chemical composition due to the heat and pressure of that. Okay, so that is what the metamorphic. And what are the examples of metamorphic rocks? Do you remember? Tell me, come on, try to recall that. Marble, slate, gneiss, quartzite. Very good, children. That is all we are learning from the beginning. Then previous class I have taught you a small portion. What is that? About the uses of rocks. Yes, I told you that these sandstone, marbles, all these are used for the building purposes. Then precious stones like rubies, emerald, diamonds, all these are used for making ornaments. Certain purpose, we discussed a lot with the uses of rocks. Then what we learned about the coal and petroleum. Yes, they are also said to be the fossil fuels. Do you remember that? Okay, so coal is formed from the plants, okay, which is buried under the earth for long years ago, millions of years ago. Okay, that is what about the coal. Then how this petroleum? These are obtained from the sea, sea animals. Okay, so we have discussed a lot about with all these coal and petroleum uses of rocks in the previous class. Now today what's our topic? Do you have any guess? Yes, it's of course of the soil conservation, then soil erosion. Okay, so very important thing you have to keep in mind about the soil, then soil erosion, then soil conservation. A small topic only, so you will enjoy this class very much because I have taken something for you to show an activity. Okay, so you have to watch the activity about the soil erosion, how this soil is washed away from the place. You have to watch that, no? So I will show you definitely a small experiment on that. Okay, so you can see that how this soil erosion takes place. Got it? So watch it carefully and understand it properly. Okay, so wait and see, Makle. I will show you that experiment after taking the topic soil erosion, soil conservation. So hope you will enjoy the class, and definitely you have to understand it very carefully. Okay, children, so we'll go for the topic.
Hi, I am Soil. Do you know about me? Don't worry, I will tell you about me. Okay? So, I am Soil. I am a valuable natural resource. And I am the topmost layer of the earth's crust and takes millions of years to be formed. I am formed by the breaking up of rocks into smaller pieces by agents such as, see this, wind, water, and heat of the sun. Got it? And I will tell you one more thing. The process of breaking of rock pieces by the action of wind, water, and heat of the sun is called weathering of rocks. Okay? So, do you get me? I am a valuable natural resource. I am the topmost layer of the earth's crust, and I am formed by the breaking up of rocks into smaller pieces by agents like wind, water, and heat of the sun. Now let's move to the enemy of me, soil erosion. Okay, so let's know about it. Hi, I am soil erosion. Due to the action of wind and water, the soil is carried away from one place to another. So the topsoil being light and is carried away very easily. So the process of carrying away of the soil by natural forces is called, my name, who am I? Soil erosion. So how I am formed? Yes, the process of carrying away of the soil by natural forces. Okay, that is what? Soil erosion. Now I'll tell you one more thing. Apart from these natural forces, human activities like deforestation and overgrazing have also resulted in soil erosion. Okay. So I will introduce you to the deforestation. Let's have a look on it. Hi, I am deforestation. Do you know what I am? Yes, cutting down of trees in large numbers is called deforestation. Cutting down of trees in large numbers is called deforestation. The roots of trees bind the soil firmly together and do not allow it to be easily washed or blown away. Then what happens? When trees are cut, there are no roots to hold the soil and the soil gets eroded very easily. Got it? So, do you understand about me? Deforestation? Cutting down of trees in large numbers. Okay. Now let's move to one of other friend, overgrazing. What is this overgrazing? See that? Yes, sometimes the same piece of land is left for cattle to graze, resulting in less grass cover. Have you seen that? Cattle were kept in the greenery of some places and they will be eating all that. So this exposes the soil to wind and water, causing soil erosion. Got it? Okay. Now we'll move to the soil conservation. Hi, I am soil conservation. What is this? Due to soil erosion, plant and animal life is very affected. Therefore, soil must be protected from being eroded. So, the protection of soil from erosion. You have already learned about, my friends, soil and also soil erosion. So, the protection of soil from erosion is called, what is my name? Soil conservation. Got it? Soil conservation. So, how can be this saved or conserved? How can this soil can be conserved? Let's know about it. Okay. So, afforestation or planting trees and grass. What is afforestation? Planting of trees in large numbers. What is afforestation? Planting of trees in large numbers is called afforestation. So plants and trees help to conserve soil. Okay, now let's know about making bunds and embankments. You have seen that flowing water washes away the soil along the bank. So, at places where the river strikes against the bank, strong and firm embankments. Tadayille tada. Yes, embankments are constructed so as to control the flow of river water and thus avoid damage to the crops and the soil. Got it? Now the last one is making terraces or furrows. So when this water comes down on slope with great force, it causes a great deal of damage to the soil by bringing down large amounts of soil with it. So this damage can be reduced by slowing down the flow of water. So this is done by making terraces or furrows along the hill slopes. So farming on these terraces is called terrace farming and helps prevent soil erosion. So got it, children? Okay, I'll conclude in one word. Conservation of soil is very important because if the soil is poor and loses its fertility, our crops will also be of poor quality and quantity. Children, hope you have got it. So that's all about this chapter. Now you can watch an experiment about this soil erosion and also the conservation.
So hi dear children, so as I told you, there is a super activity in front of you to show about the soil erosion. So almost we have discussed about the soil. Soil is a natural resource and also it is the topmost layer of the earth's crust. And if you know that it takes millions of years to be formed. And how the soil is formed? Soil is formed by the breaking up of rocks into smaller pieces. Okay, so how the soil is formed. Okay, all the things are clear, no? So now we told that soil erosion. Yes, soil is taken away by the action of certain agents like wind, water, all these. So here is a small activity to show you how this soil is washed away. Okay, suppose here when the rain comes, so here I am creating an artificial rain here. So you will see that three types of land created here. One with the bare land, that means no plants or anything else. Then one with the dead leaves on the top of the land. One with the plants grown. Okay. So this is the atmosphere I created here. Now we have to have the rain. So if there is no rain, I am going to create the rain. So I have taken the amount of water in each bottle. Now I will pour this to each of the bottle. So I am pouring water. You can see that water flowing when the water on the top of the layer. You can see that water will be, the amount of water will be flowing. Can you see that water started from this? You can see the water dripping away in that. Now with the second bottle. So watch that water carefully. It is with little bit soil and also with muddy, not the clear water. Okay. So here the dead leaves on the top of the soil. Now I am pouring water. Water will be floating on the top. So you can see that water will be washed away from this. So here you can watch a little bit clear water, not that much, but as because of the water I mean the dead leaves on the top, we are getting I mean only small particles are there on that bottle. Clear? Now children, now with the third one, you can see the one with the plants fixed over there. So I am pouring water to this and we'll see what it happens. So as a result of this, see, you can see the clear water when I pour water to the third bottle. So this is what the soil have that importance. Have you understood? When the plants are there, plants can hold the soil particles together over there and the soil will not be moved away. Got it, children? So this is a small activity that I am showing here about the soil erosion. Okay, hope you have enjoyed the class, and that's all for today. Thank you, my children.